And off the top, we're seeing video showing the moments a hang glider came in for a landing in Key West, but this wasn't a ride for tourists or even thrill seekers. Instead, it was a pair of Cuban migrants on board.
The two risking their lives for a shot at freedom here in the United States, and now they're in the custody of Border Patrol, waiting to learn what will happen next. Local 10's Cody Weddle joins us live from the processing station in Dania Beach with our top story tonight. Some pretty remarkable video there, Cody.
Certainly, Laren and Sanella, and it comes amid this surge in Cuban migration. We have seen as hundreds of thousands of Cubans have arrived at the southern border. Thousands have been making that treacherous journey by sea. Just last year, we saw that Cuban pilot who flew a Soviet-era plane and landed here. And just today, two Cuban migrants landing that motorized paraglider in Key West. This video shows the motorized paraglider flying low over Key West. Witnesses watching but unaware of the story of those inside the contraption. Chief Border Patrol Agent Walter Slozar later revealing on Twitter that the two passengers came from Cuba and landed at the Key West International Airport uninjured.
I heard it first. I actually heard that glider in the air. I heard the motor. I looked up because it shouldn't be where it was. That's in the path of Key West Airport.
The two eventually taken into custody by Border Patrol agents. Local 10 Keys reporter Janine Stanwood.
Those migrants were taken here to the Border Patrol facility in Marathon. They tell agents they're from Havana, that they wanted to come to Key West, but they did not necessarily intend to land at the airport. Right now, they're being medically evaluated, fingerprinted, and processed.
Saw this ultralight plane coming opposite direction, same altitude, and he wasn't talking to anybody on the radio.
Local pilot Nick Pontecorvo says he spotted the paraglider from the air.
That was pretty awesome. To make that flight 90 miles over open ocean, especially with the wind that we have and the waves are pretty big, that takes a lot of courage.
The landing coming among a historic surge in Cuban migration, thousands making the 90-plus mile journey by sea. In October, Cuban pilot Ruben Sanchez Machado flew a Soviet-era plane low over the ocean and landed at an airport in the Everglades. Witnesses of the paragliding migrants today amazed and thankful that the two managed to land safely.
No doubt about it, they were absolutely right in the final approach of the major airlines.
And so as for what will happen to these two Cuban migrants, while each case is different, the Cuban pilot who landed here in October has already been granted political asylum. And we're still working to get information about these two Cuban migrants, who they were and how exactly they were able to obtain this paraglider or obtain the materials to make the paraglider and then fly it here to Key West. For now, we're live in Dania Beach. I'm Cody Weddle, Local 10 News.
No doubt, quite a sight. Thank you much for that report, Cody.